29, alright? Is what?
Yeah, right.
29. 20 and open a carry me a give you know.
So why you have to think that?
Me see your face. Me know the look. Me know the look. But me I warn you. You say any oh you carry bun? Me, I tell him.
You see, oh yeah, different Kareem. Oh, you so sure him not give me bun?
Kareem. Kareem, mommy, no, would never do that.
So you believe me would have do that? You think very low of me.
A little joke me I make, man. You can't take joke. Go to my serious joke around me. I never say nothing too much. Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Give me a second. Yeah, man. Okay, I'm Tony and I have a little business rush. So I'm going to fly. Alright, I'll talk to you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Have fun on the business trip.
Tony Ann.
Just tell Mr. Swaby hi for me.
Hey, I'm not in a mix up with you right now. I'm going to do me for you. You're lucky.
Now tell me, say I leave the door open.
Morning.
Gizzle, we are do here so early.
Early? Never leave.
You stay here last night? So where you sleep?
Use the office. Get up, take a shower. My bathroom. Up and running again.
Why?
Because we did have 2 hours to go out this morning. So while the company slept, I was up cooking through the night.
Bizzle, I thought we had cancelled those 2 orders. Moreover, we have other workers, and I thought you would be at Freedom Street or church. That's not your job.
Cartel having money already, you know. So this is my Freedom Street. And if we did miss the order there, things would have worse, probably.
Bizzle, why you do so much?
What? Will you something wrong?
Pay your fee, manage the place, and to protect me. But me not understand all of this cooking, market run orders. Why?
Because it needs to be done. And we have a lot of people around us who are inefficient. They're very incompetent.
Yeah, but it's not your job. And why this vested interest?
Is why I think me have some ulterior motive.
Forgive me if I'm skeptical, but you see nowadays, people don't do things without nothing in return.
You're paranoid for real. But I understand. But Miss Nicey, remember when you were overseas, both times, I provided a place for you to stay when you wanted to lay low.
Exactly my point. I am the one that is supposed to be indebted to you, but you keep on doing all these things. It's going to let me wonder.
It's nicey. Good people still exist, you know. Sometimes people do things for personal gratification. And sometimes it's an attraction.